Today, I'm coming to you guys with a hair tutorial. As you guys can see, my hair is different. I feel like my hair is different every time y'all see me. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a video of me doing knotless braids on my sister. She's going to be my model for today. Her hair is color treated, so she has it dyed. So I'm going to try and do the tucking technique on her hair. So y'all stay tuned with us. The last time I did knotless braids, they took forever. Literally, like more than 2 hours later. You get what I'm saying? But we're going to see how it goes. These braids that I have in my head are very, 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 very long. And I love them. Oh my God.
Okay.
Let me stop. But anyway, let me show you guys what her hair looks like. She's going to be my model for today. So it's color treated. We already blow dried it out. We're going to go ahead and make sure we get it moisturized with some oil. Not too much because I don't want it to be slipping. Yep. Okay, thanks. I don't want it to be slipping like while I'm doing it, but the products that I'm going to be using today is the Shine and Jam and the Mel's line, like edge control stuff. Girl, y'all, that was $15. Like, what? I feel like they be trying to beat us in the head at the beauty supply store. I'm like, $15, girl, bye. Anyway, I am now basically finished. I have sectioned off her head, and I'm going to show you guys just 2 examples. I put up one finger, just 2 examples of how to do knotless braids, how to tuck, how to cover, all of that good stuff. the Shine Jam because again, it's the hair kind of just soaks it up. Her hair loves moisture. This is supposed to just help with the hold of it. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by doing a braid. Now, if you don't know how to do a braid, then sis, there's not really the channel because it's going to be a little bit harder in terms of doing this. So you're going to start off with the braid. Okay, sorry guys, so the video got cut off. Where I'm at here is you're going to take this piece of hair, this is the second piece of hair. We're using 4 pieces of hair. This is the second piece. You're going to take it and add it to the middle. Your thumb is going to go right on top of your middle finger for that middle piece of hair. Then you're going to add it to the hair that's to your furthest right. Now you're going to grab it as tight as possible because you want this to be neat, right? And you're going to cross the piece that's to your furthest right hand into the middle. Now at this point, what I like to do is I start to section the hair on top of her own hair. That way we're covering up all that extra dye or the black hair that was not colored to this color. It's called tucking, right? We're going to do that with this section right here too. I'm going to just tuck over as much as possible. For the first couple of pieces, it's a little bit harder. And we're going to just braid that. Right, and now we're going to go ahead and add our third piece of hair. Here's the third piece, which was a pinch bigger than the second. Again, you're going to add it to the middle. Then you're going to bring it with that piece that's to your furthest left-hand side. And now you're going to twist it right on top into the middle. And now, again, at this point, you should be tucking the hair under. It's a little bit harder for the first couple of pieces, but I'm going to try and make it work, you know? That's what we got to do. This is what our customers are going to want. If you have clients, if you do hair, and now you're going to braid it twice. So within each time of adding hair, you're always going to braid twice. So now I've braided it twice, and now what we're going to do is add the last and final piece of hair, which is going to make it the same thickness as the one on the other side. So here's the last piece of hair, which is the largest piece, and now I'm going to pinch it again with my, it's going to go to that middle piece. My thumb is going to go right on top of my middle finger, and it's going to connect with the piece that's to your furthest left. Once again, that piece that's on your right hand side is going to come right in the middle. So it's basically going to look like a triangle like this, right? You're going to grab it as tight as possible, and now you're going to cross that right piece over. And now at this point it's looking seamless because I've been tucking her hair under the hair that I've added. This is your fourth piece. Now you're going to just keep braiding and braiding, and you're going to keep in mind to keep tucking the hair so that none of her hair is seen. Now in the first little braids, it was a bit harder because I was adding the hair, but now it should be a lot easier because again, you've been tucking since you started. And then her hair blends into it as you guys can see towards the end. So you're gonna just keep going and keep going, and then before you know it, you'll have a perfect braid at the end. And if you guys see, this is very seamless. You have a knotless braid right there, and it's gonna come out just like these other ones, nice and neat, pretty seamless. And yeah guys, this is very simple. It's extremely convenient. I just wake up and go, y'all, this is a hairstyle that I love. I'm a big fan of it. It took me a while to master this and kind of learn like how to do it. But to be honest, I'm a visual learner. So I kind of just need to see it one time and I'll pick it up. I did it the first time on a friend of mine and she really liked it. And I think this is something that's great. And for my stylists out there, I know you guys, you know, y'all charge a heap of money. So it's pretty easy to learn how to do it yourself. But if you can't learn how to do it yourself, that's okay, baby. Find somebody that knows how to do it the right way, okay? Period. You guys, so I am back. If you guys stay to this end of the video, y'all are the real OGs, okay? Period. Anyways, we finished with her knotless braids. My sis loves them. They're very long and luscious. Turn, be a good model, please. Thank you. No, not like that. Stand there. Y'all, do you see the fluidity? Like, yes. Okay, period. I'm gonna go ahead and insert some pictures into the video.
I want that sweet life. I want that fancy life. I don't want to live a fast life. Oluwa ba mi ṣe o. Ó jẹ́ kí n kó rere o. Say now your hand.
Now because y'all bodied, okay? Bodied. And you know she got the baby edges on fleek. Period. Poop. Ow. Anyway, we're twins now. I'm annoyed. She gets on my nerves. Never doing her hair ever again in my whole entire life. Ever. I said that last time. 5 years lasted and I didn't do her hair. But guess what? Tried it again. I'm back at it. Y'all stay tuned for some more videos. Thank you so much for liking this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And smash that notification bell. Boom. If you liked it. Anyway, it's a peace out, K Squad. How you like your hair, girl?
It's great.
Thanks. Okay, bye, guys.